Warm gray luxury barndominium homes perfect for modern country living. Imagine waking up to the gentle glow of morning sunlight streaming across warm gray walls, the soft hum of nature outside your window, and the perfect blend of modern design with country charm greeting you at every turn. This is the feeling a warm gray luxury barndominium can offer. It's more than just a home. It's a lifestyle, a sanctuary, and a statement of personal taste. In this video, we're taking you inside a vision of comfort and elegance, where rural tranquility meets sophisticated living. The warm gray palette is the foundation of this home's character. It's not cold, harsh, or industrial, but instead soft, inviting, and timeless. This shade of gray brings a calming balance, pairing beautifully with natural textures like reclaimed wood, stone, and matte black metal accents. It's a color that allows the home to breathe, making every space feel open yet cozy, refined yet welcoming. The combination creates an atmosphere where you can truly unwind, whether you're entertaining friends or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fireplace. From the outside, the structure reflects the distinctive barndominium style: tall, proud lines, expansive windows, and a form that recalls traditional barns, but with a contemporary twist. The exterior is clad in sleek panels, painted in a perfect shade of warm gray that stands out in the landscape while blending effortlessly with the natural surroundings. A covered porch stretches across the front, inviting you to sit with a cup of coffee and watch the world wake up. The roofline is clean and strong, giving the home a sense of stability and permanence. Stepping inside, you're greeted by soaring ceilings that make the main living space feel bright and airy. Large windows flood the room with daylight, connecting you visually to the outdoors. The open floor plan ensures that the living room, dining area, and kitchen flow together naturally. This openness is one of the defining features of a luxury barndominium. It allows for seamless gatherings and fosters a sense of togetherness. Yet, even with all this openness, the home never feels too large or impersonal, thanks to the warm tones and thoughtful design elements throughout. The living area is anchored by a grand fireplace framed in stone, its earthy texture contrasting beautifully with the sleek finishes around it. Comfortable seating in neutral fabrics creates a space that's perfect for conversation or for curling up with a good book. Overhead, exposed wooden beams add a rustic touch, a nod to the barn origins of the style. The flooring is a warm-toned wood that ties the entire space together, adding depth and grounding the airy architecture. The kitchen is a chef's dream: generous counter space, high-end appliances, and a large central island perfect for preparing meals or serving snacks during casual gatherings. The cabinetry, finished in soft shades of gray and white, keeps the space feeling light, while matte black fixtures add just the right amount of contrast. The backsplash may be simple subway tile or perhaps a textured stone, giving subtle visual interest without overpowering the palette. Every detail feels intentional, designed for both beauty and function. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area benefits from wide views of the surrounding landscape. Imagine enjoying a meal while the sun sets beyond the fields, the warm glow outside complementing the soft tones inside. Sliding glass doors lead directly to an outdoor patio or deck, making it easy to take your dining experience outdoors when the weather is just right. This connection to nature is a central part of modern country living. It's about blurring the boundaries between indoor comfort and the great outdoors. The private areas of the home are no less impressive. The primary bedroom is a retreat in itself, featuring large windows, plush carpeting or warm wood floors, and a soothing color palette dominated by that signature warm gray. A statement light fixture overhead adds elegance without feeling overdone. The ensuite bathroom is spacious and spa-like, with a freestanding tub, a walk-in shower framed with glass, and dual vanities topped with stone countertops. Subtle lighting ensures a relaxing ambience, perfect for winding down after a long day. Beyond the main living spaces, many luxury barndominiums feature versatile bonus areas. These might be a loft overlooking the main living room, a dedicated home office, or even a fitness room. In this design, the loft space could serve as a quiet reading nook, a children's play area, or an extra sleeping area for guests. Flexibility is part of the charm. Your home adapts to your life, not the other way around. Outdoor living is equally important in a warm gray luxury barndominium. A large covered patio offers a shaded retreat during summer afternoons. An outdoor kitchen or fire pit area creates a perfect setting for gatherings under the stars. The surrounding landscape becomes an extension of your home, whether that's open countryside, a wooded lot, or a manicured garden. The warm gray tones of the home's exterior complement every season, soft against fresh spring greens, elegant under a winter dusting of snow, and absolutely stunning when framed by the golden hues of autumn. Sustainability and modern convenience also play a role in designs like this. Energy-efficient windows, well-insulated walls, and modern heating and cooling systems ensure comfort without sacrificing environmental responsibility. Many homeowners choose to incorporate solar panels, rainwater collection systems, or native landscaping to further enhance the home's eco-friendly footprint. These choices align perfectly with the spirit of modern country living, respecting the land while enjoying its beauty. What makes this warm gray luxury barndominium truly perfect for modern country living is the balance it strikes. It's a home that feels grounded in tradition, yet fully equipped for contemporary life. The rustic barn-inspired architecture connects you to a simpler, slower-paced way of life, while the modern finishes, smart layouts, and high-quality materials make everyday living easier and more enjoyable. It's a place where you can work from home in the morning, host friends in the afternoon, and watch the stars in peace at night. Every corner of this home tells a story, not of extravagance, but of elegance rooted in practicality. The warm gray tones create harmony throughout, tying together the open spaces and private retreats. Natural materials bring authenticity, while thoughtful details reveal the care put into every decision. It's not just about having a beautiful home. It's about living in a space that supports your lifestyle, nurtures your well-being, and inspires you every day.